I was boiling a pot of noodles on high with the lid on and left it unattended for 20-something minutes to get some work done downstairs. When I returned, I was hit with the strong odor of natural gas. The pot had bubbled over, extinguishing the burner and filling my house with the dangerous fumes. The smell was overwhelming, making me dizzy, so I immediately opened windows and doors to ventilate the area, being careful not to touch any electric switches or appliances. It took about 45 minutes for the smell to dissipate. I'm sharing my story to warn others about the dangers of leaving boiling water unattended, and I hope they can learn from my mistake.